Across the full coach OUTARRA na tutu bi amani Kumasi Asante Kotoko, especially on one young coach Ogum. Regarding Kotoko, Emma over 21 players every club domuno. Na yese kofa foforo no. Coach OUTARRA say a waste of money. Ena Kotoko say no sika no mu tugu wa. Watutu bi amani Kumasi Asante Kotoko in recent interview. But I think say coach OUTARRA also kana nutum. Now or concentrate on across folk adwuma no. Yes. Etorebia nsembi wo ho a wo se yesekere ne yeka. Across folk coach OUTARRA yi obefa across folk na has no eda 12 or the has finished 14th. It was during the last day na across folk ekobo jirigogo game against Bichim and omudinya the needed win. Well, then some more kind on this sports Obama TV for any training come. Also, as a full coach, OUTARRA has expressed his reservation about Asante Kotoko's strategy of releasing a large number of players almost every season. You are sacking 100 and bringing in 200. What is the results? He asks. Let us go slowly. When you go slowly, you have 100 chance to achieve something. Sacking 11. 2,200 players, we bring in 100 and we start again. You are wasting money. In summer, all country Kumasi Asante Kotoko no. In summer, coach OUTARRA, country coach Ogum no. In summer, all country Asante Kotoko, coach OUTARRA. Meanwhile, who coach OUTARRA no? Baby, I will baby, I will was see an across folk no. Things are not all that well. Into no. At this particular moment, na nya wona obeka che Kumasi Asante Kotoko say a waste of money. Unim Kumasi Asante Kotoko issues omo having during the season. Unim issues regarding player attitude. Unim internal politics wo ho enema coach anase Kotoko technical team decide say 21 players enko na 21 players ni kura no say enye omu nyina na Kotoko asake omo. Ebi wo mu ho a contracts ena ewu. The likes of Richmond Lamtemo, Stephen Desemu Kwalamo, omo contracts ena ewu ena omako. But you don't sit somewhere and say Kotoko 21 players obefro a waste of money. And I think say coach OUTARRA, he should concentrate on a crowd of folk. How are they a crowd of folk beba abe competing well in the Ghana Premier League, maybe in the top 4. In the last few years, Tembia crowds of folk at the chiri baby. So, Coach OUTARRA, Menyesa, Elisa Massa, baby, I'll kick on some of us, we are not going to have it lightly with such words coming from you.